Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, I got a similar product that I reviewed from last time from the brand called One Easy Life. And pretty much what it is, let me show you guys. It is right here in my hand, if you guys can see. Also that says made in China. But basically what it is a hanging closet organizer. So first thing first, I'm actually unbox it and show you guys what comes out the package first. And then set it all up and then talk about the product. So basically right here, as you see, everything is on here with the organizer for the closet and everything. So let's open it up. So the first thing I see right here is this flat little product right here. That will actually make sure the product is square shape or whatever. And I'll show you guys what I mean in a second. So here is the first box that is actually provided. So if you guys can see, it's actually foldable, which is pretty amazing. So when you guys first get it, this is how you guys would get it. So you guys don't have to worry about it being too big or whatever. You guys can't carry it home if you guys are shipping it to the office or somewhere else that's not at home. So basically how it works, you guys open up like that. And you guys take the thing that I showed you guys earlier just now. You guys want to put it inside the product to kind of tape it on. So this part, they have a little tape to kind of tape it on. So that way you guys can actually divide the clothes or what you guys want to put on here. So you guys can see, that's how it works. So it divides the stuff in half. If you guys want to put underwear on one side and put clothes on this side or whatever, you guys can do that. So next box we have is right here, if you guys can see. Very small and flat, just like the one I just showed you guys. Let's open it up. So this is the bottom part right here. And then this is the top part right here, if you guys can see. So it has multiple slots, so you guys can put whatever you guys want on here. So here is the little cardboard thing that they provide you to kind of keep the shape of the product as well. So that way you guys don't have to worry about it losing the shape or whatever. And then apply this part onto the bottom of this box. So that way I can keep the shape of the product like this. So the bottom part is supported, this part is supported as well. And then same thing for the other one. So the other board is a little bit different, if you guys can see. There doesn't have that cloth layer where it has it like on here, if you guys can see. And the reason why is that all you have to do is kind of just slip this part onto the bottom of the box itself, because they have like an extra layer right here, if you guys can see. So when you got the right position and everything, all you have to do is kind of push this through, make sure it fits and everything. So basically when you put it all the way in like this, then the box is supported in the bottom, so that way that it won't lose its shape and whatever. And then when you guys look at the layer right here and here, you guys will wonder, how will you guys hang it up? So they provide you these little hangers where you can actually hang it onto your closet and whatnot. So how it works is that you guys will hang this bottom part right here through the hole right here and just hang it up. So let me actually go show you guys a quick example and then come back and talk about the product. Alright, so basically this is what the setup looks like, if you guys can see. So right now I don't have the drawer inside yet. But this is what it looks like, if you guys can see. Yes, this is not a closet or anything. I'm using this as an example right now to show you guys what I can kind of do and put on here. But here is a box, so let me put it on really quick and then show you guys what it actually looks like afterward. Alright, so we have it all set up now, you guys can see. So I had a different section put in already, you guys can see right there and then right there. So if you guys don't like this, you guys can adjust it however you guys want to. You guys can put this one here, you guys can put this one here, or put this one here, however you guys want to. So depending on the pole where you guys put this on, like right now I'm using like a shower pole, so it's not gonna be really stable. But you guys can put a lot of stuff on here. It's very spacious. Just kind of show you guys how much stuff you guys put in here. This is toilet paper. So I put this in here. You guys can see how deep it can kind of go and how much you guys can actually put in here. So if that's one toilet paper, think about how many stuff you guys can put inside. So you guys can probably fill 4 toilet paper into just one section, so you can put a lot of stuff in here. And then when you guys want to use like another compartment, you guys want to use this compartment, just pull it out, just slide out like that, and you guys can just use that compartment as well. So depending on what you guys want to do is all up to you at the end of the day on how you guys want to set it up and everything and what you guys want to put in each section. But it is very, very spacious, and for this product you guys can actually just put this anywhere. It doesn't have to be a closet, doesn't have to be a certain area. You guys can just have this anywhere as long as it's hanging somewhere that's durable and whatnot, then you guys are all set. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw the test of the product, you guys can see it actually does work. It fits so much stuff in here that is kind of amazing, to be honest. I really like the fact that it's such a space saver, so small, compact, really durable quality. Plenty of space to put whatever you guys want on here, especially if you guys are living at a house or something, or even if you guys don't live in a house, if you guys live in an apartment or a really small complex building or something where you guys don't have any room, this is really cool to have there and just hang this anywhere. You guys don't even need to hang it in a closet. You guys can hang this literally anywhere. If you guys have like a pole or something, just hang it there as well. Anywhere that you can hang this product would be nice. But now that we show you guys what comes with the package and the test of the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it. So for this product in particular, it costs around $24. And for that price range, would I say that's actually worth it or not? I would definitely say that it's worth it if you guys need one of these or are looking for something similar to this. But if you guys don't need one of these or don't want one of these and obviously don't buy it, then save your money for something else that you actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the little unboxing, testing, and feedback about this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. If you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that come out in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have